Alright, good day, viewers. I remain my humble self again, Otemu Ogenenyeru, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. I've dealt with this topic 8 months ago, give you one example. I want to do it again, give you another example to refresh your memory. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Let me say, let P be x1, y1, and Q be x2, y2. We can get the distance between 2 points by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, look at it here. Let me call the point here P, and let me call the point here Q. Now, here is our P, here is our Q. Now, here is x1, y1, here is x2, y2. So now, by using Pythagoras theorem, this is the y as is, here is the x. So here will be y2 minus y1, gradient. Now here will be x2 minus x1. So let us find the distance. I will now say PQ squared is equals to x2 minus x1 all squared, then plus y2 minus y1 all squared. When you now take the square root of both sides, because this is square, PQ will now be the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. And so let me call PQ this distance. So therefore distance is the same thing. So okay, let us solve some 2 problems as regard these 2 problems. I want to take 2 problems as regard the distance between 2 points. Alright. So find the length example, find the length of the line joining the pair of points minus 1, comma, minus 4, and minus 3, comma, minus 2. Okay, let's find the point that is joining those 2 places. Solution. I'm going to get our x1, our y1, we're going to get our x2, our y2. In coordinate geometry, here is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the x1 there is minus 1. What is y1 there is minus 4. What is x2 there is minus 3. What is y2 there is minus 2. So by the formula, distance, or you can call length, distance, is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus bracket y2 minus y1 all squared. x2 2 minus x1 all square is plus y2 minus y1 all square. Okay, let's get our x2. Is minus 3 minus, what is our x1? Bracket minus 1. Everything here, all square, plus, what's our y2 here? Is minus 2 minus, what's our y1? Bracket minus 4 all square. Alright, when we come here, here is minus 3. Now, minus times minus 1 is plus 1 all square plus, here is minus 2. Minus times minus 4 is plus 4 all square. So simply put, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 all square plus minus 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 all square. Now, minus 2 square means minus 2 times minus 2. And what is minus 2 times minus 2? Is giving us 4. 2 times 2 is another 4. So here is 8. We cannot simplify it in solve. 8 simply means 4 times 2, which means root 4 times root 2. And what is root 4? Is 2. Root 2. So when the distance is now 2 root 2. So I want to give you another example as regard this. Stay tuned, don't disconnect. Okay, let us take example number 2. Find the distance between the 2 points 3, minus 2 and minus 4, 5. Now, let's get our x1. Let's equally get our y1. Let's get our x2 and our y2. And like I said, x1, take note, y1, x2, y2. So what is x2 there? Is minus 4. Sorry, what is s1 there? Is 3. What is y1 there? Is minus 2. What is x2 there? Is minus 4. What is y2 there? Is 5. Let's come again. x1 there is 3. y1 there is minus 2. x2 there is minus 4. y2 there is 5. So let's put into the formula that the length, which is the distance, is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus bracket y2 minus y1 all square. Now, distance is equal to, what is x2 there? Is minus 4, then minus 3 all square. x2 is minus 4, minus 3 all square. Then, what's our y2 there? Is 5 minus bracket minus 2 all square. So distance is equal to the square root of minus 4 minus 3 is minus plus. So 5 plus 7 plus 2 is another 7 all squared. Now, minus 7 squared give us 27 times minus 7 give us 49 plus another 49. Now, what is 49? 9 plus 9 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. We can resolve this into solve again. Now, here means 49 times 2. We have to take it from here. Well, I'm 49 right there. 49 times 2 give us 98, which is the root of 49 times the root of 2. And what the root of 49 is 7 root 2. So when you resolve this and you find the distance between the 2 points, our answer is 7 root 2. So stay tuned and stay connected. My next video, I'll be talking about the midpoint between 2 points again. God bless you.